Welcome to workshop 3, Scamper. So, what is Scamper? Scamper is an acronym. S stands for substitute, C for combine, A for adapt or adjust, M for modify, P put to another use, E for eliminate, and R for rearrange. We use Scamper to generating the idea for our project. The first one is substitute. We want to replace manual form submission with an online form that automatically enters data into the system. It's very convenient and helps a lot in data managing.
Number 3 would be the combining, where we combine multiple forms into one. The reason behind this is to ensure efficiency, where it could significantly reduce the time and effort for a user to fill out the form. At the same time, it greatly enhances the user experience, where the process is quite linear and straightforward.
Okay, now I will share about number 3, which is adapt. To ensure the system is mobile friendly or has a dedicated app so users can manage events on the go. So, the benefits is to increase accessibility. Students can manage event-related tasks anywhere and anytime, can increasing the participation and engagement. It could also enhance the user experience. A dedicated app can offer a seamless and personalized experience, encouraging more frequent use. So, this adaptation will likely lead to higher engagement and smoother event management. Continuing with the Scamper framework, so now we'll focus on modify to enhance the event discovery and organization. So in modify, we could modify the event categorization to include filters and tags, making it easier for the student to find events that match their interest. So what are the benefits from this modification? To improve discoverability and personalized experience, and also lastly to efficient event management. It helps organizers to categorize and promote events more effectively and reaching the right audience. So by modifying event categorization with filters and tags, we make it easier for students to find and attend events that they are interested to join.
We also thought about how to put the system to another use. Beside registration, we decide to use the system as a blasting platform for event notification. This dual functionality maximizes the system utility and keeps students informed about upcoming events. To streamline processes further, we look at what we could eliminate. We decide to eliminate the multiple channel event proposal procedure. By consolidating everything into a single platform, we reduce redundancy and make the event proposal process more straightforward.
So next one is rearrange. So first is planning. So the system allows the users to plan their events, which is their date and times, to avoid redundancy. So second is promotions. So the systems allow for promotion. So the users can upload their banners or posters and brief descriptions of the events to do promotions. So the third is registration. So this allows the student to register into the events more easily. And the fourth is execution. Because of these systems, the execution of the program becomes easy. And the fifth is feedback. So after the event is done, the system will capture the feedback of the students to help the event organizer get better in organizing the event. So in conclusion, applying the Scamper technique to an event management system can significantly enhance its functionality and user experience. By substituting, combining, adapting, modifying, putting into another uses, eliminating and rearranging various elements of the system, innovative solution improvement can be identified. This approach not only fosters creativity but also ensures that event management system remain efficient, user-friendly, adaptable, and changing needs. Ultimately, Scampers empowers event managers to deliver more seamless and memorable experience for their clients.